Hey guys, and welcome to another PHP tutorial. I don't actually remember which number this is. Yeah. Alright. So we're gonna continue going over arrays, and today we're gonna go over push and pop. They're kind of yin and yang functions in PHP. And their names are actually not all that self-explanatory, sadly. Push, or yeah, push. Um, that function should push part of the array off, right? Actually, it doesn't. It pushes a new variable into the array. And pop, it it pushes an array off, or I mean a variable off of the array. So it's a little bit different. And when I say pushes it off, I should say pops it off, to keep it from getting confusing. So what these two functions do is they actually convert our array into a stack. And I'm not really going to go into stacks too much, except just think of the word literally. Say you had a stack of cans or something. Yeah, cans will work for this example. You had a stack of pop cans, soda cans, and you just kind of pushed one on the very top. It's now the last one added, right? Now, we're gonna use the top rather than it being the tallest. We're gonna put the top as if it's the last one, okay? So you push one onto the top. It's really hard, and you got to actually push it down so that you don't topple the whole thing. So you push it on top of that stack of pop cans, and you've added another variable. Say you put a Mountain Dew on top of what already had Pepsi, Dr. Pepper, Coke, and Sprite. You pushed the variable of Mountain Dew on there. So, but somebody else comes along and is like, I really don't want Mountain Dew on there, so I'm gonna pop it off. And they literally like just shove it off, and it makes a pop sound as it hits the floor and bursts. Because you hadn't opened it yet. Okay? I know it's a bad example, but I'm trying to give you guys a little bit of an idea of how it works. So it changes it to a stack. And that's why the terms push and pop work better. Because for an array, they really don't work. But for stacks, they do. Anyway. So let's get into it then, right? Alright. So first we're going to do push. And this one's pretty self-explanatory-ish. I'm just going to write it out real quick, and then I'll explain a little bit. Alright, so you call array push, which is the built-in function. You don't actually have to declare it anywhere in your script, or your page, or your file, or whatever you want to call it. But inside you have to put parameters. The first parameter is your array that it's going to change. In this case, it's just called array. You guys can call it whatever you want, like I said in the last episode. And the next parameter is going to be what you're pushing onto that array. And we're pushing 4 onto that array, and it's going to be in the 4th index, because remember, it starts at 0. So even though it'll be our 5th variable, it'll be at the 4th index. And yeah, that's good. Alright, so we'll push 4 on there, and we'll get 4 over here. Now, that's how array push works. So you literally just put the array name and then the variable you want to push on there. So what about array pop? Well, array pop, you just have to supply the variable's actual name, or the array's actual name, and it will pop whatever's there off. So we'll actually comment that out. So this is what we see right now when we do this. We see 3. But if we keep it displaying the 3rd index, instead of displaying nothing, PHP likes to tell us, hey, you're wrong, you made an error, go fix it. And it tells us how, it tells us the problem, but of course PHP, you're the programmer, you should know what to do, I don't. Just go fix it, so that I don't have to worry about it, right? Give me a set of instructions I understand. PHP's mean like that. It doesn't care for you, it just wants to make sure it has no chance of messing up, so you gotta give it the right instructions. And PHP doesn't know what you really want to do, so it tells you to go figure out what you did wrong. Yeah, computers are the greatest, most intelligent, stupid things ever. They don't know how to do anything for themselves. So that's how push and pop work, guys. I hope you liked the video. Please hit the I'm messing up. Alright, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Please hit the like or dislike button corresponding to how you felt about this video. And I will catch you guys